Good morning, everyone. It's time for calendar. Let's do our rules song first, okay? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Great job. What did you do this weekend? Weekend is on Saturday and Sunday. We didn't have to do schoolwork on Saturday and Sunday. I went on a hike. A hike is kind of like walking outside. And we saw some trees. We walked up a hill. It was fun. I also worked outside in our yard, in our garden. So I raked some dirt and so we can start planting new plants. So we did a garden and we went for a hike. What did you do on Saturday and Sunday? Can you tell me? What did you do? Did you play outside? Did you bake something? Did you plant a garden? Did you take a walk? I'd love to know. All right, so first for our calendar, we're going to do the days of the week. All right, here we go. Let's do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. Yesterday was Sunday, right? We talked about the weekend. Today is Monday. Monday looks like this. What day is it? Monday. Awesome. Clicked on the triangle. Today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. All right, so now we have to do the months of the year. Do you remember? I got my special months calendar the other day. So we can say months of the year, and there are 12 months in a year. How many months are in a year? Right, 12. All right. When we talk about the months, we always start in order, right? So it goes like this. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Awesome. Does this say April? No. How about this? No. Does this say April? No. This one. This says April. April looks like this, remember? And April starts with what letter? Can you remember? You tell me, what letter does April start with? You tell me. It's right on top here if you can't remember. What letter is that? A. It is A. Awesome job. All right. So we did the days of the week are all done. The months of the year, all done. So now we have to do counting, right? Okay, so we usually start with number 1 for counting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes next?
6.
What number?
6.
That's right. 6. That's right.
7,
Sorry, I'm getting my... So your turn to tell me. It's... Great job. Remember our 10 frame here. So we had 3 dots, and then Saturday and Sunday, and today's Monday. So we have to add 3 dots. How many dots? 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3 dots plus 1, 2, 3 more dots equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Looks like that. All right, here we go. You know what would be? We'll do this. 3 green dots. Let's do orange next. April 3rd. April 4th. Right? April. These are sticky. 5th. And one more. April 6th. Right? 3 green dots plus 3 orange dots equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome job. So that's how we came up with 3 plus 3 equals 6. Awesome. So now it's time for Weather Watcher. Okay, let's do the song. And then I have a special guest to help me with the weather today. All right, let's do Weather Watcher, Weather Watcher. What do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? You have to look in. You say hi.
Sunny.
What? No, wait. This is Penelope. It's my other daughter. She wanted to help. She was jealous because her sister got to the other day. Just kidding. All right, so now, Pippi, can you go to the window, please? All right, go to the window. Tell us what the weather is. Oh, what's that in your face? Come here and tell me.
Sunny.
You have to use a big voice so people can hear you. Tell us, what's the weather?
Sunny.
Oh, what does sunny look like? Is this sunny?
Yeah.
It's sunny outside. So if we say a whole sentence, we can say, the weather is sunny. The weather is sunny.
1, 2.
Great
3,
job.
4, 5.
All right, go over here. We're going to say the whole date now. Because we did the days of the week are all done, right? Months are all done. We counted and we did the weather. All right. So today is, what's the day of the week? Monday, right? The month is April 6th, 2020. And the weather is sunny. Great job, you guys. Happy Monday. And if you want to tell me what you did this weekend, you can leave a comment in the video or you can just have your parent email me, okay? Nice job. See you later. Bye.